we just woke up and I have to pack. Actually, we're both packing because we have a trip to San Diego this morning for an awesome Topgolf event. So we have that tonight in San Diego, and then tomorrow we have a meeting with a company we want to work with. That's really cute. We're packing. I'm working on it. And mind you, that's how big my suitcase is, and we're gonna be gone for one night. Back at the airport.
Another airport.
So there's this restaurant we go to pretty much every time we fly. We either get here like early for our flight and have breakfast, or early and have lunch, or early and have dinner.
You gotta admit that it's good.
It is really good. It's just it's a restaurant, but the Portland airport has some awesome restaurants. We even have a movie theater, and this is the legendary carpet, which they better never get rid of because it's been around forever. There he goes. I swear, every time we travel, he sees somebody he knows.
Yeah, there's one person that I know.
Every time, and I'm the one who was born and raised in Oregon. I'm from here. He's from Alaska, which you did see someone from Alaska, but
Yeah, half of the people, but a good amount of the people that I see are Alaska.
from Alaska, yeah. We're here. All right, we gotta go. I think this way. Yeah.
Always a little something.
Yeah. This is one of the prettiest hotels I've ever stayed at, I think. It's gorgeous. It's like one of those old mansion type looking hotels. We're at the Fairmont in Cafe del Sol. We're lost.
Alright, so we're at this fancy ass hotel. Everyone's walking around with polos on, khaki shorts. And
Let me show my husband. So we definitely, I got my braids in. I'm in my camo workout shorts. I will say my shoes are pretty flat. You have, I mean, at least they're tan, but
I ain't got no polo shirt on.
you look beautiful. This lighting really looks good on your eyes.
But some booty ass bullshit that we're only here for 24 hours.
I know. How is it that we show up at the most beautiful places and stay at, like, this place is gorgeous, and we are here not even 24 hours. We leave tomorrow. We got here, what time is it now? 3:30?
Yeah.
And we leave tomorrow.
Oh yeah, we're not even here.
No, we leave here tomorrow morning at like 8:30 in the morning to go to Huntington.
Not good.
Crazy.
I gotta fight. I gotta fight. I gotta fight. I gotta fight.
Okay, my husband, I guess I do it too. My husband got an opponent August 24th for Bellator, so we're super excited.
Hey,
What?
100 push-ups every day without fail.
100 push-ups every day.
Even on not vacation.
Not even vacation, we're gone for one day.
Yeah.
So we have approximately 1 hour until we get picked up. We landed, went and ate really fast. We have 1 hour to get ready, get picked up, and go to our event. 100 push-ups.
100 push-ups. Plus the...
That's where we're going.
Oh, that is so cool. This is so crazy. Oh my gosh, I've never seen something like this in my life.
First off, this is the coolest event ever.
Look at that. So crazy. I'm climbing up in the crow's nest.
No, you're not.
I'm getting up in that crow's nest. I'm getting up in the crow's nest.
Your father is a veteran.
So my dad was in Vietnam. He was a sea wolf for the Navy, and he was a door gunner on a helicopter.
Yep.
So he's lot more badass than
The coolest Vanderford between all of us is his father. Number one most awesome person. Yeah, this. We're in a giant room on a boat. We're in a boat right now.
This is crazy.
Topgolf. Thank you for bringing us out. Obviously we're huge Topgolfers, but this is by far kind of the coolest Topgolf experience I think we've ever had. This is amazing.
I'm gonna hit the golf ball so far. Yeah.
He wins.
No, I don't know how proud of that is. Hey! Look at what are you doing? Look at where I'm at. Can you tell what I'm on right now? You're on an aircraft carrier. Yeah. How crazy is that?
What are you doing on an aircraft?
I'm on the USS Midway.
I was gonna say, you're on the Midway.
Yeah.
Hi.
This is the craziest thing I have ever seen.
Alright, so this is one of the helicopters that Austin's dad flew in the war.
Yeah, he was a door gunner on this, he flew on
this plane.
This helicopter and he was a door gunner.
He was a door, so he did that little, I'm sure this whole thing.
No, he shot the machine guns over there.
That's crazy.
We've got a picture. When we were growing up, we had a picture blown up of him flying over the jungle, like shooting the gun, and it was like the craziest.
We gotta get that for this.
Yeah.
All right, babe.
Okay, so
all your golf training.
We're about to hit some golf balls for this Topgolf thing, and so while we were in Alaska, I was just training the whole time for this moment right here.
This is your moment. The first you're ever gonna get. This is the moment. You have to own it. To hit balls off of that thing.
USS Midway for Topgolf.
Alright. It's morning time. We are getting all dressed up because we have a meeting. Our manager drove 100 miles from Orange County to come pick us up. And now he's driving us 100 miles back. Yep. So that's a good manager's bar for. That's a good manager. All right, we made it. We are home from our magical trip to San Diego and then our drive to Huntington Beach. We didn't share anything of what happened in Huntington because it was, or in Orange County, because it was a top secret mission. Top secret meeting business situation. Okay. All right, so we're on our way to the gym to drop my husband off, and then I'm going home to see my babies. But it was a successful trip. I think we had a lot of fun. So over here, we have the board of everybody at the gym who has fights coming up. Obviously, there's a ton. And then on this side, it's who's going with them to the corner. So, lots of big fights coming up in the next 2 months. And there he is, husband, Rudy, on Bellator. He's hitting pads with Coach Hamza. I did a little baby workout here, and then, yeah, pretty good day. It's Friday night here. The gym's pretty much empty, except for us.
Okay, so I just finished my session with Hamza. I did a little mitt session, and we literally landed like, I don't know, an hour ago, maybe like an hour and a half ago, I think like 6:30. So we came straight to the gym to get some work in with Hams, and my little wife is heading out because she is going to run home. So we are like, I don't know, it's a couple mile run, but the hard part about it is it's straight uphill. So she's gonna get a good little workout in. So she said she'll call me if she ends up needing me. So
I just ran home from the gym. That was awful. It's like a million miles straight uphill. That was terrible. I made it home